last year's a repeat. Due to the pandemic, a lot of Christmas parties got cancelled and therefore many changed to the virtual space. But these online programs are often boring due to lack of interactivity and a lame program. But if you're looking for an online Christmas party where you build something with your hands together with your teammates and solve puzzles instead of staring into your screen the whole day and even create something tasty in the end, then we got the solution for you. Come with me. Gina, what are you doing here?
Oh, hey Paul! I'm right in the middle of the Gingerbread House Challenge. I got this delicious box full of gingerbread from the Senkau Lebkuchen Bakery. And right now I'm building a gingerbread village with all my teammates. Do you want to see? Take a closer look. Well, Paul, let me tell you how it works.
Yes, please.
So, each and every participant get their own gingerbread kit delivered to their homes.
Okay, wait. So if I would do it with 500 people, you would send out 500 boxes?
Yes, it's absolutely no problem.
Wow. Okay, and how long does this program last?
So it takes up around 1.5 hours in total. We start off everybody together in the big meeting room. We will do a little energizer just to get us all ready for the game that is ahead of us.
So what are we doing in these breakout sessions then?
You will unbox everything and then start building your gingerbread village together. Everyone gets their own building to build and you will solve different riddles and tasks as a team.
Very, very cool. And so in the end, I guess we can see all the other houses of the colleagues.
Of course, Paul. You will send us some pictures and we're gonna share them with everyone in the big main room.
That sounds very cool. Thanks for explaining, Gina.
You're very welcome. Just sign up and we can go ahead.